LeetCode 608 tree node. Each node in the tree can be one of three types. Leaf, if the node is a leaf node. Root, if the node is the root of the tree. Inner, if the node is neither a leaf nor a root node. Write a solution to report the type of each node in the tree. Return the results table in any order. The result format is in the following example. We're going to solve this medium LeetCode question in both SQL as well as Python Pandas, where I take you step by step on to achieve both of those solutions. Let's start coding. Let me kind of explain this problem. It's a bit confusing at first, but once you kind of understand the context of how we need to identify each of these numbers, it's not too bad of a problem. Basic CTE and case statement, a few minutes to solve. All right. So essentially we have this tree over here, 1 through 5, and it's like a binary tree, right? So either one thing happens or the other. So you can see, like, for example, we have 2 and 3 after 1. And then after 2, we have decisions 4 and 5. Our table that we have is our IDs and our parent IDs. So like 1 has no parent, it's the very top. But then 4 and 5 both have a parent ID of 2. And then our output, we have root, which is at the very top of this tree. Then we have inner, which is 2, which has a child as well as a parent. And then we have leaves, which means they have a parent, but no children underneath it. So essentially, we look at all these and we classify it based off of that understanding. How I view it is we're going to have to join to the same table that we're grabbing from. We'll label a few things and then just build a case statement from it. Not too bad. Let's start. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to do a select start for now. We're going to say from, and we'll call it tree as T1. So tree T1. Then we're going to do a left join. So left join, and we're left joining tree again. We're going to call this T2, and it's going to be on T2.p_id equals T1.id. So that join, just to explain it really quick, our parent ID over here is going to be linked to our normal ID. Sounds a little bit weird, I understand, but that's what we specifically need. I'm going to get rid of that star now. And what I'm going to say is T1.id is our main ID. Then what we're going to do is T1.p_id. We're going to call that main parent ID, parents ID. And then lastly, I'm going to have T2.id, and we're going to call that child ID. All right. So if I just run this really quick, and assuming I made no typos, we get the wrong answer. That's fine. But you take a look at the output, right? We have our main ID, main parent ID, as well as the child ID. And this is honestly all we need now to get our answer. So I'm just going to bring this into a CTE. I'm just going to call this node joins. So with node joins as, and then we'll throw everything here in the center. Whoops. I actually did a Control Z instead of Control X. So we'll throw that in, and then we'll tab this over. The first thing we're going to do is select, and we're going to say main ID, and I'm going to just tab over. So main ID as our ID. Now we're going to do a case statement. So case when, and we're going to say main parents ID is null, then it's root. Okay. So the reason why I start off on this case statement with that is there's only ever going to be one time that we're going to have our root, and that's at the very top. And that's if there's no parent ID, that means you're at the very top of this tree. So that's why we start off with root. Then we're going to say when main parent ID is not null, so is not null, and our child ID, which is down below over here, right? And our child ID is not null, then we can call this an inner. So we're taking a look at that next side of things. And this really gets after number 2. All right. And then lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to just call everything else a leaf. So let's just say leaf like that. And then we're going to end as type. So end as type. So each of these main IDs are now going to have a type. And also I should say this is from node joins. Now there's one last step that we need to do to get this correct. And that's going to just do a distinct. It's because we're going to have IDs duplicated. So we need to just make sure we have a distinct ID and it's been accepted. And that's been my exact solution. So one more time to explain it. The beginning, what we're going to do is we're going to do a self-join to its own table. So we're going to say from tree 1, we're going to join tree. Again, this time we're going to call it T2 on the parent ID. So that's what type of join we're grabbing. Then we're grabbing the main ID as well as the parent ID. And then we're grabbing that specific child ID, which is that ID down below. Again, sounds confusing, but just build out the table. You'll understand why we're doing that self-join. Then what we're going to do is we're going to select from that CTE that we established above. And what we're going to do is first relabel that main ID just as ID this time. Then we're having our case statement. So if there's no parent ID, if there's no parent ID, then we're going to have a root. When there is a parent ID as well as a child ID, then it's inner. Else it's going to be a leaf ended as type, and we are done. Let's take a look at the Python Pandas side of things. Again, I've talked about this in other videos. Usually I start with this predetermined function that they create, but I'm going to actually start above, and we're going to say define our nodes over here, and we're going to input in a row. Now, let's start off our if statement with this. So we're going to say if PD dot is an A, and then we're going to grab a row in here, and we're going to label whatever this is a little bit later. I don't know our final name yet, and we're going to return as a root. Return. This time we're going to grab our roots. Okay. Then we're going to have an else if, so it's called elif over here, and then we're going to say PD dot not null. Then we're going to grab over here row. And again, I don't know the full name yet. We're going to grab that over here. Then we're going to say and pd.not null. And again, same thing, right? I guess I could have just copied and pasted these. So just paste that over here. And we're going to say return inner. And I'm going to do one more time else. And we're going to return leaf. Okay. And that's going to be essentially our case statement. We'll fill this out a little bit later. Let's now fill this function out down below. So I'm just going to call this tree extra, and we're going to say that's equal to pd.merge. Now what we're going to merge is tree. We're going to merge tree again. Now we're going to do left on, and we're going to grab our ID. So grab our ID, and then we're going to say right on, and then we're going to grab our PID. So equals PID like that. We're going to say this is a left. So how equals left. And then we're going to set up some suffixes. So suffixes equal. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say parent and child. Put that there and call it child. Great. So now we have that, and what we can do is set tree extra, and we're gonna create that type column. So type, and we're gonna say equals tree extra dot apply, and we're gonna grab nodes and grab, which is our function we're creating above, and we're gonna say axis equals 1. Now we can go back over here. So the first thing we need to look at is our parent. So PID parents. Okay. Next, we're going to look at inner, which again, parent needs to be, in this case, not null, where this one was null. And this one needs to look at our child. So PID child. And that fulfills all of this for this function. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to rename. So what we're going to say is tree extra dot rename. We'll say columns equal, and inside over here we're going to grab our first column, which on this one is ID parent. So ID parent, and that one's going to be called ID. So grab that ID. Then up next, what we're going to do is tree extra. We're going to drop our duplicates, which we essentially use a distinct in the SQL side of things. So we can do tree extra equals tree extra dot drop duplicates. We'll say subset equals and say ID And then lastly, what we're going to do is return tree extra, and we'll say in here ID as well as type. And we run that. We do have one error. Let's see what I said. I misspelled parent. I said parent, and we just have to change that twice on here. We run that. One other error. So let's see what my error is. Tree extra equals tree extra dot drop duplicates subset equals ID. And the reason why is I actually didn't make tree extra equal to that renaming of the column. So make sure you put that there. Sometimes I fly by when I do these coding videos, and that's been accepted. So one more time, just a walkthrough of this code. What we're doing is we're creating a brand new function over here, the tree node. So what we're doing is we have this tree node function. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to merge tree and tree, left on ID, right on parent ID. We're going to do a left join suffixes. That way we have this organized parent and child. Then we're going to create that type column, and we're just going to apply our function, which is if-elif-else. I already talked about the reasons why on the SQL side of things. But again, if the parent is null, then it's a root. If there's a parent and a child, then it's inner, else it's going to be a leaf. We just apply that nodes with access equals 1. Next, what we're going to do is rename the ID parent into ID. Then lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to drop duplicates. We set our subset equals to ID, and then we return our extra or tree extra with our ID as well as type. So this LeetCode question was a bit confusing, but I hope my solution was able to help you achieve some clarity with it. If it was, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm uploading multiple videos every single week, not just LeetCode questions though, but other things diving into like data analytics or data science, whether that's SQL, machine learning, or even AI. With regards to LeetCode though, I do have other questions posted down below in the description, as well as a playlist right over here. So if you want to study more, check them out.